This is an emergency broadcast transmission. On air. This is an informational alert for the state of Utah, regional scope. A dangerous robotable alive device has broken free from Murray's costume manor. IT can shape-shift and disguise itself as an costume or object. IT is killing in a horrific manner. IT targets locations associated with Fredbear's family diner and now represents a widespread threat. Take shelter immediately. Lock, report, and hide. Move to a room without windows or doors. Close and secure doors. Turn off ventilation. Remain quiet and out of sight. Do not approach or engage. Avoid shadows or traditional routes of approach. Update nearby authority if safe to do so. Stay tuned for further instructions. Stay tuned to this station for further updates.